we back. We are back on the Super Dime. As y'all can see, everything's starting to pan out, look pretty good. I want to show y'all something that I got here. All right, we got the stock engine cover. Go ahead and pop it on there, and it clears the hood, and it looks pretty dang good on there, man. Looks pretty dang good on there. It covers everything up, and like I said, it clears the hood. But what I did have to do some modifications to it. Had to do some cutting in the back. I put a rubber grommet in there, so then we'll have a nut that comes up right here, and we'll be in there, man. But we keep getting a knock sensor code. So with that knock sensor code, what do we have to do? Change the knock sensors. Well, why don't you change them before you even put them in? Never had an issue with knock sensors before. You know what I mean? It's just like everything else, man. Some of the things that I've never had issues with are seeming to be things that I start to have issues with. So we got to pull the intake, which is no big deal. We're going to go ahead and pull the intake, and then that consists of 5 bolts over here, 5 bolts over there, a fuel line, cold air intake, throttle cable, vent line, and map sensor. So that's no big deal. And then we're going to go ahead and grab some knock sensors. Put some knock sensors in here. It's only the number 1, and I think I might have pinched it whenever I was putting in the. I use a motor plate. I got a motor plate I use, and whenever that motor plate screws it down, I screw down the motor plate. I think I might have pinched it. My trinary switches should be here today. I'm going to switch up and put some different spark plug wires on. They're the JDM. JTM, what are they called? JDM. Just switch some things up with it, break it up a little bit, and once I get the trinary switch in and verify that we have air, then I got another squeaky pulley. I'm gonna try to see what I can do there as far as getting this pulley taken care of, because it is squeaking bad. It's aggravating. You know, everything else is quiet, but that squeak is annoying. Let me get some tools, man. We'll get to it. All right. Everybody wondering, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Making a mess. Let's all go ahead and get this intake off. Cool. Oh, intake off, and change these knock sensors, man. Change these knock sensors. Get this gas line out, down, and out, and up. Man, so y'all see in the video, we got things jumping on Kept getting a knock sensor code. Yeah. So, knock sensors. They're supposed to look like this. Let me pull this one out. They're supposed to look like this. Right? Perfect. No problem. That one works. That one works. That one works. Never had problems with knock sensors before, but it always happens when something you've never had a problem with, you're going to have a problem with. Okay. Then the other knock sensor comes out like this. Huh? What? How? How does this happen, man? And like this. How does this happen, man? And like this. How does this happen? On me. Should have checked them before I put the engine in. Can I get the other one out? I have yet to get it out all the way, but I'm going to. And my man, 85 Cuddy Boy, showed me another way that you can install knock sensors. If I'm not mistaken, you can put a knock sensor on the external part of the engine, and then we're talking Gen 3. Because if you look at the Gen 4 stuff, where are the knock sensors? On the external part of the engine. So if I wanted to, instead of me trying to get this one out, go ahead and put it on the external part of the engine. The number 2, low voltage, low signal, low, all that good stuff. I could do that, but we're not doing that. We're going to go ahead and get that knock sensor put in the way it's supposed to be, prayerfully. The way it's supposed to be. Super Dime back in action. Back in action. Stay tuned. Look at this. Eating me up, man. But we gonna get it. Get it. It takes off. 2 o'clock. My knock sensors will be in. Yeah, we gonna get it. That looks bad. Mind you. That's what it started out as. That's what it started out as. Look at that. Ridiculous. I think some of this stuff might need some anti-seize or something, but no. Don't say to say for 22, a 22 inch or 22, a size 22 socket, 15 foot-pounds. That's what they say. But look at that, man. That's ridiculous. Front one looks just like this. Looks like this one was never changed because they couldn't get it out. So they changed the front one. All right, got them brand new ones in. Y'all done seen them go in a million times. If you haven't, there's a video on how to install knock sensors. I'm not a how-to. So therefore, but we will go over here and we'll take this wire that says knock sensors and we'll plug it up right here where it says knock sensors. You know what I mean? Flip it around, plug it in like it's supposed to, and then hopefully that code will go away. We should no longer see that code at all. And the reason for that code was that back knock sensor. As y'all seen, you seen what it looked like. Seen what it looked like. So now that we got all that taken care of, we have all this covered up because we don't want nothing falling inside here. I'm gonna let the silicone set up for a little bit, and then we'll stick the intake back on, and some different spark plug wires and spark plugs. We'll be back. All right, y'all, we back together. My light done died. Back together. Let's start it up, see what she sound like, right? Let's see what she sound like, right? Uh-oh. Let's hook the battery up first. My bad. Hold on. And right here is where I mess up. Wedding band, batteries, tools do not go good together. So y'all be careful. Now that we got those parts in, the Super Dime, let's go for a ride. Super Dime time. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all what. If you got an S10, you need to go ahead and bite the bullet and put that daggone LS 60 4LADE 5348 whatever in your truck. I just took this thing on a ride, man, and it's all there. That squeak, I'm gonna take care of that. Don't like it, but man, it is all there. Plenty of power for this truck. Plenty of power. And you know what else it is? It's a head turner. Red truck, step side, them whaled bullet holes on it, head turner. Man, the Super Dime is really a super dime. I am not lying to you guys, man. You get a chance to get you an S10. Feel like that you want more power than the 2.2 and the 4.3 or the 4.6, whatever it is that they have, drop you a 534860 in that bad boy and watch the difference. Get you one, man. Get you one. I like the Super Dime, y'all. Plenty of power, plenty of power, plenty of power. No more engine light. Got the heat blowing again because it's starting to cool off again. And man, y'all see that? Be careful out there, man. Be careful out there. Woo. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Super Dime. Big fan of the Super Dime. Big fan of the Super Dime. Because I like it. I like it. You know what I mean? You press it, you press the gas pedal, it's there. The power's there. You don't have to crowd the gas pedal at all. You just roll into it. It's there. 14 gears, but still yet, we got overdrive. And we got 300 plus horsepower, right? 300 plus horsepower. What else more would you need in a truck? In an S10? What else more power you would need? I don't think you need much more. So, we're going to sign off on this video. I need y'all to comment. I need y'all to share. And I need y'all to subscribe for the Super Dime. Super Dime. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Swaps out.